Hey, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dan Burrell, and I am excited. I just want to thank you for coming today because your life is about to change. So, for the last 20 years, I've had a business, I've worked for a company, and I've been around since the internet started, actually. That doesn't say much about my age, does it? But for the longest time now, I've been watching a lot of people uh, doing really, really well online, and a lot of these, I call them kids because I'm 57, but a lot of these young people seem to have that communication and that ability to be able to connect to people, which I think has always been important in business. So one of the things that I've been dealing with is, especially since I've been a software trainer, is how to actually teach people the tools to use. And I have not been able to find a company that reflected the same beliefs as I had. And so now I'm interested, I'm involved, and I have found an incredible support group and company that actually has all of the tools that I needed in order to expand my business. So if you're at home and you're wanting to start something new, hey, listen, the new year is about right around the corner, and I don't know about you guys, but we all get tired of working 9 to 5, and as we get older, we want to do something on our own, and there's an old expression out there about making money while you sleep. So it's not just about the money, it's also about helping people. I was a nurse before I did this for a living, so I know that's part of something that I want to be involved in, and I just want to be there to help people and to watch them grow. So here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for people who are interested in learning, who are interested in wanting to try something new, but too afraid to do it by themselves. I'm looking for people that I can help, guide, support, and just take them along, and we all take this journey together. So I don't care what age you are. Like I said, I'm 57. This is something that I'm interested in doing and helping people. The 20 years has helped me. There's a lot of people out there that are doing really well. I had the wonderful privilege of traveling the country and helping them out, and now I want to do the same for you. It needed a lot of softwares or different softwares in order for me to get a lot of things done that I'm being asked to do. I was asked to do websites. I was asked to do landing pages. I was asked to, write ebooks. So one of the biggest problems that I had was I was using so many different softwares, but now I don't have to. So the big thing about the company that I am now associated with is the fact that everything is in one bundle, and you don't have to deal with, oh my goodness, bridges and different things of, where systems are crashing and not working together. So I've also been looking for a way where I can have residual income. So what happens here is that now I have a company that I truly believe in that uses the same marketing strategies that I use when I do my affiliate marketing. So what you're about to look at, if you just click on the link below, is an incredible company that has been around now for 7 years, and they're about to blow up. They are at an increasing rate. And if you're looking to make, you know, a side hustle, or if you even want to replace your full-time job and work from home, then this company has all the tools that you need. Again, you're not in it alone. My name's Dan. You're going to know me as Dan. We are going to become friends, and you are going to be supported in every single way possible, because it is in my best interest that you succeed. I'm tired. I'm tired of seeing people not try and give up because they weren't taught properly. So, as a trainer, and again, I've been doing this for a long time, as a trainer, I want to make things simple for you. So give me that chance. Click on the link below, and we will see you in the next video.